So that's why when we are talking about markets, there are different types of markets. So what are the different types of markets? One is known as business markets. The other one is known as consumer markets. The other one is known as global markets. And finally, the non-profit or government markets. So when we go for the first one, business markets. So where one business organization may be purchasing the products or goods which are required from the other seller, other business organization, we call them as business markets. For example, if you take a four-wheeler company, because we have several companies in the market, a four-wheeler company may be purchasing the material, raw material, or the other things which are required for them from other company. We call them as a business market. So business in between two business organizations, the market, we will call it as business markets. And whereas when it comes to consumer markets, so we are very much will be dealing with the consumer markets, because as a consumer, we go to consumer markets, we buy several products, goods which are required for us. That's why consumer markets are very much known to you, where a consumer goes to market where whatever the things which are required for him, that's why we call them as consumer markets. And at the same time, nowadays, after this globalization, so several products are available in the market. Even branded products are available in the market. It's just because of the LPG era. So we call it as liberalization, privatization, and globalization. Because of this globalization, it has become possible for you to purchase different kinds of product. That's why global markets is another place where different kinds of even foreign brand is also available. That's we call it as global markets. And finally, the government, because the government will always takes care of the business which happens in the society. So government regulates the business sometimes, because according to the conditions, sometimes it is necessary for the government to regulate. That's why government markets will come under the non-profit or government markets. That's what these are the different types of markets.